this is reality. This is what I look like most of the time. I was, you know, on my laptop watching Instagram, YouTube videos, whatever, and then I had to go to a bathroom and I have a mirror there, and I looked in the mirror and I was like, oh my god. Yeah, this is the current situation. And then I was like, oh my god, that is such a difference if you compare this to my pictures and videos on Instagram. So I was like, you know what, I gotta fix it. I am literally wearing some pajamas. Oh, this one is broken and it has like, I don't even know what it is, but this is on it. I got it from Primark. And I was like, you know what, let's fix this. So I have a ton of makeup in front of me. We are going to do a very, very, very glamorous look because I actually wanted to show you that you can really change with makeup, because I will show you that after an hour or 2 hours in reality, this will be a total different face. So that's what we're gonna do, but still, this is reality. How nice is this? No, it's not. Let's do something about this. First of all, I'm going to take off my glasses. I'm going to put in some contacts, change, because it's not so pretty, and let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so I changed and I have my contacts in. Let me put this hair back. Okay, so for those of you who know me, I actually always start with, you know, doing my eyes, but this face needs some coverage and some foundation, concealer, like everything. So that's what I'm going to do first. I hate this. Oh. And I'm starting off by applying the MAC strobe cream all over my face. And I used the MAC strobe cream as a moisturizer. And to prime my face, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty primer, which is also very hydrating and I like it. Okay, so before I'm going to apply foundation, I am applying a little bit of the Benefit Professional. You all know why I'm doing this. By my pores. Little bit of Fix Plus. Ooh. That feels good, but it's also very cold. And for foundation, I am going to use the Huda Beauty Full Coverage Foundation. And I'm not using a little bit. This is 2 pumps of foundation, so a lot. And the reason why I actually wanted to make this video is I really wanted you guys to see like more of reality, because when you look at Instagram and YouTube and even tutorials, and I do it also on my page, it always seems to be like almost perfect. Like if you see me doing an Instagram video, I always have like my hair in a ponytail or I have a wig on. Like even though I'm not wearing makeup, it still looks okay. But that's because before I am going to film, I'm doing my hair, making sure that everything looks nice, because that's what we all do. And that is not really like real life, because my face before this foundation and my hair, that's real life. Not that there's anything wrong with it, because I love wearing pajamas and not wearing makeup. I love that very, very much. But I do like a full coverage foundation though. Is it too dark, this foundation? We'll see. I'm gonna highlight anyway, so it's not going to be that big of a problem, I think. I'm gonna zoom you guys in because we are going to do my brows. And I'm using this Zoeva Wing Liner brush and Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade in dark brown. Let's brush it upwards. This is not the best brow, but you know what? I can fix that. Normally I use a very cheap one, but I don't have it here. So I'm using the NARS Ginger, which is way too expensive to carve out your brows, so don't do that. That's fine. No brow, brow. No brow, brow. Kind of a catfish, right? So I quickly did my other brow off camera, and of course I'm taking a Q-tip to blend out the concealer. Let's add some concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape, of course. And I forgot to color correct, so let's hope I won't be turning gray. This is so satisfying, applying concealer. Let's blend this baby. And you know, the reason why I actually wanted to make this video when I was looking at myself in the bathroom is, don't be fooled by everything you see on social media, especially if you follow a lot of makeup pages. It is makeup, and trust me, people do not look that way all the time. It is not like we're having glitter on our eyelids 24/7. That is not the case. We are just normal people who look like sometimes, and that's reality. But then we have like this very cute thing called makeup where we can change. As long as you remain to be a good person, then you can paint whatever you want, you know? Okay, so I'm setting my eyelids using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I don't feel like cream contouring, so we're not going to do that. We are first going to apply my beloved iconic London illuminator. Now it just looks like I have a wet chin, like I just had a burger and then the oil is like dripping onto my chin. Blending this out. And then I'm taking this MAC Medium Golden to set my face, because I am going to contour, but I'm going to use powder. I don't even know if there's powder coming off because I hate pen. I don't have any other face powder. Of course. You know, sometimes when I am not wearing makeup and I go, you know, out, not really out, not going out, but I'm outside and I meet people who I know. Sometimes people are like, whoa, you look so different without makeup. First of all, I am aware that I look different without makeup because I take a lot of time to do my makeup, and that's not because I want it to look the same. And second, it is not a really nice thing to say to somebody. It's almost like saying, oh, you look so ugly without makeup. And I don't know if people are really meaning to say that, but that is the feeling I get. So I hate it when people say that, oh, you look so different. Bitch, I know. And to bronze my face even more, I am going to use this MAC Refined Golden Bronzer. And of course, going over it with some gold deposit to highlight So Hollywood by Anastasia. Adding this product onto the liquid highlighter. And keep in mind that I haven't set my under eyes yet, just my eyelids. That's because now I'm going to do eyeshadow and I am really scared that I'm going to mess it up. So that way I can always fix it with my beauty blender. I'm going to use my favorite Huda Beauty palette. I am going to start with, I think, these four. Like, first that one, and I'm going to end with that one. We'll see what happens. We'll see. And of course, my beloved Sigma E40 brush. Like, what are your opinions when it comes to makeup and social media? Are you sharing my opinion, or are you like, you know, I don't really care, or you don't care what other people say about you. And don't get me wrong, I'm not arrogant. Most of the times when people are like rude to me or they don't say very nice things, I don't really care most of the time, because my mom always told me, like, if you don't have anything positive to say about anyone, please shut up. I mean, I cannot decide for people what to think. I mean, you can think everything, but you know, don't be rude. Shut up. There is no person who's like, you know what, today I can't wait until somebody tells me something negative about myself. Come on, that's so stupid. And I know that you don't like it when people are like, oh, you look different without makeup. You would like it if somebody told you that. So why are you saying that to anyone else? You know, don't do that. It's not really nice. You are just human. You're a makeup artist or a makeup fanatic. It's makeup. Let's add a little bit of that plum shade. It's actually the look I was wearing, almost the same look I was wearing in the video, like the glowy video. I used kind of the same colors, I think. Only difference is I'm going to use something else on my eyelid. Alrighty, for my eyelids I'm going to use this Metal Shock eyeshadow in gold, I think. Wiping this onto the back of my hand because I don't want to have too much product. And it's not going to be a cut crease, so you don't have to be very precise with this one, because I am going to blend the glitter into my like lower crease. So I'm just blending this color upwards and making sure that it is nicely blended with the rest of the eyeshadow. That's about enough. Okay, so this eye is also done and it is time for liner. And I'm going to use the Catrice Cosmetics liquid liner in the shade Dating Joe Black. I'm not gonna date Joe, but you know, never mind, let's do eyeliner. Okay, so now that liner is on, I'm going to use some glitters. This is by Go Get Glitter in the shade Nickel. And I'm going to use their lash glue, which is a pretty generous amount. Okay, let's add some glue. And you know, if there is any fallout of the glitter onto your liner, it's not really that big of a problem because you can always fix it and go over it with the liquid liner. So I'm just taking this and pressing it lightly on my lid. That looks good, right? I like it. Okay, so now that the glitter is dry, I'm just going over it with the brush. It doesn't have any product on it. I'm just tapping on the glitter. Oh, I like this. Yep. And before we are going to do lashes, I am taking this MAC 242 and the Anastasia So Hollywood highlighter, spraying it with some Fix Plus, and we're going to apply this under our brows. Blending this out a little bit. And the lashes I'll be using today are Intoxicating by Flutter Lashes. Adding a little bit of mascara. Oh, there is eyeshadow on my contacts. I hate that. I want to get my eyes lasered because I'm done wearing contacts. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Ooh. Okay, remember that we didn't set the under eyes, and Tarte Shape Tape, you are great because it's not even creasing. Still, I am going over it with my beauty blender again and adding some powder. Alrighty, now for the under eyes, I am going to use, I don't know, dark one? let's do that. Let's add the dark one. And I'm using my favorite MAC 221 brush. See, and that's why I hate contacts, because now I have eyeshadow in my eyes and that burns. I'm going to add a little bit of the plum using the Sigma E36 brush just on the outer part. No, I'm lying, also on the inner part. Just go all the way. And some MAC Feline in my waterline. And trust me, this is the best eye kohl ever for your waterline. I love it. And why do I not have a pencil brush? I'm just gonna use the MAC 242 to blend it out because I don't know where my pencil brush is. And then I'm going back in with this shade just to soften the black a little. Soften. Yeah. Let's add some mascara and then we are done with the eyes. Alrighty. We are done with the eyes. Oh, maybe I should wipe away like the Laura Mercier powder. It's been sitting there for this entire tutorial or makeup application. However you want to call it, doesn't really matter. So for lips, I'm first going to use a MAC Plum lip liner. Okay, and then I'm going to top it off with a Butter Gloss by NYX. Okay, so the makeup is done. I'm quickly going to do something with my hair. I don't know if I'm going to do something with my own hair or I'm just gonna wear a wig. We'll see, but I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my own hair and this is all I could do because I applied too much conditioner in my hair. But that's not the point, doesn't really matter. That was my video or tutorial. I don't even know how to call it, but I just wanted to make this video just to let you guys know that the things you see on social media, that is not how it is. If you are someone who makes videos, let's talk about me because I can only speak for myself. When I am going to make an Instagram video, I make sure my hair is done, I make sure that everything is prepped, my lighting is good, you know, I have something nice on, and especially the hair, because if you have your hair done, you're already starting to look better, you know what I mean? So that's just one thing I wanted to let you guys know. And if you are that type of person who's like, you know, scrolling on Instagram and you're like, oh my god, she is so pretty or he is so pretty, look at that makeup, I wish I would look like her or him, be aware, it's makeup. It is makeup. People take a lot of time to do their makeup to look a certain way, and I like it because I am a makeup fanatic, but that is not my life. I do not wear this much makeup every single day, and that is just the truth. So that is what I wanted to share with you guys. Please do not be offended by this video. I would never ever make a video to offend someone or to make somebody feel sad. It's the opposite. I just wanted to make you feel good, and that's why I decided to make this video and, you know, came on camera in my pajama and hair that looks like crap. So yeah guys, that was the video. Let me know your opinions on social media, on makeup, on how you think about it. Do you agree with me? If you're not agreeing with me, that's fine. Please let me know. We can have a conversation. There is a comment section down below, so hit me up and I will talk to you soon.